inspiring spaces outside your home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are tired of spending your precious weekends mowing, watering, and fighting a never-ending battle against weeds, then you are in the right place. Today we are exploring the revolutionary world of grass-free front yard landscaping ideas that will completely transform your home's curb appeal. From modern gravel gardens to lush, low-maintenance, drought-tolerant plant displays, we are showing you how to break free from the traditional green lawn and create a high-end look that stands out in the neighborhood. Stick around as we reveal how less grass can actually mean a lot more style for your property. Grass-free front yard landscaping means deliberately designing your home's front exterior without a traditional turf lawn, replacing it instead with alternative materials like gravel, river rocks, pavers, mulch, and hardy, low-maintenance plantings. Choosing a grass-free landscape is one of the smartest decisions a modern homeowner can make, primarily because it drastically cuts down on water usage, expensive fertilizers, and grueling weekend maintenance chores. Beyond the incredible time and cost savings, moving away from a uniform lawn allows you to introduce diverse textures, architectural hardscaping, and dynamic plant layers that offer year-round visual interest. It is an eco-friendly, sustainable choice that replaces a boring, thirsty green carpet with a sophisticated, custom-designed ecosystem that boosts your property value. It's not just you whose curiosity has been piqued by mossy ground covers and pebble gardens these days. Lawn alternatives are becoming increasingly more popular, and for good reason. No-grass lawns use less water and aren't as reliant on pesticides or water. They're brilliant opportunities to replace a lawn and serve as great starting points for some unique and seriously gorgeous curb appeal. Find out what grass-free front yard ideas have been perfectly dreamt up, executed, and maintained by our experts. One, low-water ground covers. One fabulous option that gives you grass-like coverage without the hefty water requirements are ground covers, specifically low-water options. They look beautiful, offer texture and color, and don't ask for much. Plants like white clover, creeping thyme, and Turkish veronica are low-maintenance and beautiful additions to a front yard. Native grasses and perennial wildflowers turn any size space into a vibrant meadow. Try wine cups for long-lasting blooms. When you're seeking out grass alternatives, try to avoid plastic turf. Artificial grass can mess with soil ecosystems and doesn't provide anything for pollinators and insects. 2. Ornamental grasses. Tall fescue and ryegrass are some of the more typical types of lawn grass, but you can trade those in for their longer, fluffier counterparts that create quite a lovely spectacle in your yard. Ornamental grasses grow quickly. They are low maintenance and give movement and texture without a traditional lawn. For texture and movement, we recommend ornamental grasses like blue grama, little bluestem, or prairie dropseed. 3. Succulent garden. A succulent-laden front yard is particularly useful for drier climates that make it tricky to keep other plants and even grass healthy. Succulents are perfect for a drought-tolerant, colorful front yard, especially in areas with rocky, well-draining soil. We also like to incorporate edible elements, raised vegetable beds, berry shrubs, culinary herbs, to transform the front yard into an agricultural space. Edible additions to your front yard make gardening a whole outdoor area affair rather than keeping it tied to one portion of your backyard. Dwarf fruit trees are a great option if you have sun. 4. Wildflower garden. Nothing is quite as striking as a bed full of tall, swaying wildflowers. Not only is it beautiful for you and your guests, but butterflies, bees, birds, and bugs will love it too. For small front yards, we love four-season perennial wildflower gardens for color and pollinator support throughout the year. You can add more plants to these flower patches as well for additional visual variation. 5. Evergreen shrubs. Both Jani and Raymond suggest using evergreen plants, shrubs, and flowers to create a beautiful front yard in climates that are colder, focusing on perennials and grasses that add winter interest like coneflowers. Choose plants that grow beautiful seed heads during the winter for migrating birds to eat. Consider ground covers like coral bells for shady spots, and hardier options like kinnikinic for areas exposed to the cold. 6. Drought-tolerant plants and perennials. Things like xeriscaping and drought-tolerant landscaping are ideal methods for folks living in warmer, drier climates. Jani suggests incorporating tropical plants for easy space fillers and perennials as they can successfully grow year-round. Raymond points to low-water ground covers and plants that do well in drought and heat, like creeping thyme, creeping phlox, and veronica. 7. Native gardens. Sticking with plants that are naturally found in your area keep the surrounding ecosystem happy and cut down on the number of invasive species planted. Plus, there are so many beautiful ways to render the look of a native garden. Native plantings require far less water use and support local wildlife in the process. Choosing perennials, shrubs, and trees suited to your local climate or USDA hardiness zone ensures they'll thrive. Here are a few other things to consider and some helpful tips for when you're creating a grass-free front yard. First, create visual interest. Aside from just plants, you can use other methods to create a pretty front garden, like varying plant height. Use tiers, benches, and layered garden beds to achieve this effect. Second, use stones. These can be used in place of grass and bark chips, and they often make quite a statement themselves. They're great for creating tiers, pathways, boundaries, and decorative elements. Third, add mulch as a placeholder. If you need some time to plan out your grass-free front yard, add a few garden beds with mulch. It keeps the organic feel without the maintenance and expense of so many plants. Last one, do your research. Before you jump in, always make sure to look into the plants that are native in your area and those that thrive in the climate type your home is located within. It'll benefit the environment and make things easier for you too. Transitioning to a grass-free front yard does not mean giving up on greenery or settling for a barren landscape. Instead, it opens the door to endless creative design possibilities. Whether you choose a sleek, modern minimalist aesthetic using clean stone pathways or a lush, vibrant xeriscape filled with resilient perennials, your front yard can become a true reflection of your personal style. By trading in your high-maintenance lawn for structured beds, beautiful ground covers, and striking hardscape features, you create an inviting entrance that looks pristine in every single season without demanding constant attention. If these grass-free landscaping ideas inspired you to rethink your front yard, please hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for your weekly dose of outdoor design inspiration. We want to hear from you. Would you ever fully replace your traditional lawn, and which style was your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you never miss an episode, and we will see you in the next video.
you.